Jomushi Travels is back, and today we are back again at Osaka, Japan. In this video, we'll share to you what we did differently during our stay here. The first thing that we did differently is we rode the Nankai Rapid Train instead of the JR train. So it was a good experience, highly recommended, and I love the aesthetic of the train. So if you are back again in Osaka and you haven't rode this train yet, please do check it out. The second thing that we did differently is staying at a different hotel. So previously we stayed at Intercon at Umeda. Then we have stayed at Crown Plaza near the Osaka station. Then we stayed at Airbnb near Koreatown. And now we are staying here at Nest Hotel at Shinsaibashi. So just in case you would like to check out this hotel, please do watch out for our separate video so you'll be able to see how it looks like inside.
Hi, sa labas tayo. Gutom na kasi kami. Medyo umuulan kaya hindi po na mag-full blown libot. So, ayan, daan tayo sa underground para dito tayo kumain. Okay, see you later.
Yan lang yung hotel. The third thing that we did differently is trying out the spring special. So the reason why we visited Japan is we are hopeful that we will be able to see the cherry blossom. But spoiler alert, we were not able to see it in full bloom because it got delayed. But anywho, so that's what we did differently. That's why we're here, to check out the spring and the cherry blossom, but since it's not yet available, so we just try different spring items instead.
Winner is udon. Dito daw kami kakain. So meron silang spring special. Tapos meron din sila nito. Natutorn ako kasi ito yung gusto kong kainin sana Pero tingnan natin.
Mag-add ko ng Okay, so try natin itong tempura plus A5 Wagyu beef. Wow, diba? Sipin mo yun, nakapag Wagyu beef na tayo agad sa curry udon. So try natin yung broth muna. Yan. Diba? Malayo sa Maruga udon. Tapos try natin yung noodles. Masarap. So, ang ganda no? Parang handmade, no?
Handmade nga, nakalagay sa labas
Legit. Sarap. Tapos ngayon, ito yung thinly sliced na Wagyu beef.
Sarap.
And lastly, itong pinaka-importante dito, tempura.
Sarap din. Sulit. Magkano pala yan?
1.5 yan. So mga siguro 500.
Sarap.
Okay na rin.
Highly recommended. Mauulit.
Yes, mauulit. Yan. Kung lalo na ngayong umuulan, napakasarap kasi ang init niya. Enjoy! Bye! So ngayon, try naman natin itong spring special nila. So may shoyu, tapos mentaiko, may parmesan cheese butter. So parang carbonara, no? Tapos may wagyu beef.
May seaweed ba?
At saka may seaweed. Ayan, mukhang masarap. Ooh. Wow! So sabi niya, i-mix daw. So mix natin. Ayan. So tanawin natin yung butter. Ito talaga na. Yung gamitin natin. Bango. So, ano siya, medyo unique yung
Yung amoy?
Oo. Tapos may kelp ba to? O hindi?
Parang seaweed eh.
Seaweed. So, kung adventurous kayo, yan. Mukhang rewarding tong dish na to. Yan. So, ang ganda na itsura niya. So, hopefully natunaw na yung butter natin. Mukhang wala na naman. So, ayan. Tidakimas. Tikman natin.
Ano, makakain ko?
Gusto mo to? Para siyang pasta.
Okay. Parang carbonara nga.
Parang carbonara.
Highly recommended?
Yes. Highly recommended. You should try it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The fourth thing that we did differently is not having a concrete itinerary for our stay here. So we just booked a Universal Studios ticket, and then aside from that, we just put some wish list of the places that we haven't been to in Osaka, and that's it. You know, it depends on our mood, our energy, and that's what we did differently for this trip.
Spring?
The fifth thing that we did differently is trying out different snacks that we feel like trying, not because some bloggers told us that it's good, but because we feel like eating it.
Letter A.
Ay, break the race. Dito natin kakainin ang mga nabili nating snack. Okay.
At
sige
syempre,
nga.
nakahanap na tayo ng Pinoy.
Oo nga.
Na-curious daw siya sa pagpila.
Ayan. Kainin mo naman na yan.
So may tatlo tayong kakainin for today's video. So, una is itong donut. Yan. Okay, so number 1 daw to, soy base. So, medyo siya, no? Spongy. Parang hindi fried. Yung dating sa akin.
Sarap.
Parang pancake donut.
Oh. Okay, yan.
Hindi matamis.
Okay, sunod. Yan ang gusto ko. Chiffon.
Ito naman, chiffon daw na parang strawberry. Diba? Strawberry nga. Ito.
Spring kasi.
Okay lang.
Di ba masyado?
My favorite.
Okay.
And lastly, ito yung mukhang
gusto ko to eh. Tingnan ko nga kung gusto ko nga.
yung na-curious si ate. Masarap daw. Talagang di niya natiis na batiin kami. Ayan. So mukhang marami, no? Na red bean. Mas mainit-init pa siya. So tikman natin.
Sarap.
Gaber. Ito yung gaber.
Okay.
Mainit.
Okay.
So recommended ko for me. Ayoko lang yung chip. Review.
Okay, so number 1.
Number 1 to.
Sayaki.
Tapos itong parang pancake donut.
Tapos ito, ayaw doon ni Jam. So, akin lahat. Okay.
Bye!
The sixth thing that we did differently is restricting ourselves to shop. So during this trip, we just did a lot of window shopping since we are in a very tight budget. So just to share to you how we did it, let's watch this video.
Diba? Lalakad lang kami. Tawid na tayo? Saan tayo dito? Ano yan? Dito. Ako, nakaka-temp. Parang gusto nang bumili. Ay, naka.
May ninja nga eh.
Oo. Ito din. So, aside sa donkey, yung mga ganito, okay. Okay sa mga ganito. Pauwi na kami. Pero baka magpabudol ng konti. Para, alam mo yun, tapos na. Dami, oh. So, pipili lang kayo sa inyo gusto mag-shopping. Nandiyan na yung mga beauty products na mga kailangan. What do we have?
We have beef, ano to? Bento.
Something, kasi 200 off na, no?
So, from 1 to yen, naging 1,000 yen.
So, ito yung breakfast namin bukas.
Yeah.
Tapos, pag dun kayo sa hotel namin pala, dito tayo sa exit 4, kasi nandito yung elevator. Okay, tapos pag akyat nun, dun na yung hotel.
To kickstart our day 2, let's try something familiar, which is Yoshinoya. And this time, it is Yoshinoya Cafe style.
Nasa baba yung counter. Kasi ito yung meron niya sa taas. Ganda, diba? Maganda tong Yoshinoya na to. Ang ganda dito. So, diba, usually nakikita natin Yoshinoya sa mga videos yung nasa counter, biglang. Ito ang gulat ako, ang ganda.
Yeah, may morning.
So, yan. So, may tawag namin actually ni Jamie, pero baka lunch na lang namin ito. So, kain na kami breakfast. Tapos, yan. Pakita kasi niya kung murang sila sabi niya. So, yan.
So, kung gusto mong beef breakfast, salmon, egg, natto.
Ako beef breakfast na ako. Ay, si grilled salmon. Grilled salmon ako. Sarap.
Diba? Okay din.
So, yeah. Order mo na ako ng grilled salmon. Okay na ako dyan.
So, morning meals tayo. Ako...
Ito yung drink bar. Ito yung mga utensils. Tubig. Free yung cold, hot, tea. Yan, yung cute ng mga lalagyan. Pero dahil nag-avail kami ng drink bar, pwede kaming kumuha nito. Coffee. Tsaka nitong tea.
So, kumuha tayo ng cafe latte. Tapos, sige, sugar.
Tapos, dahil second floor to, may elevator doon kanina labas yung pagkain. And ito yung aming pagkain. Wow! Kuha lang din ako ng drink and then isi-shoot natin ito, no? At cocoa in the house. And Calbis. Calbis ako syempre.
Okay, so tatry natin itong breakfast morning set. So, yung sa akin, double ham and egg with beef. Tapos kay Mushi is grilled salmon with beef. Yan. Sa kanya medium rice sa akin. Large rice. Okay. So walang difference yung price. Parang 666 yen parehas. Yan. So typical breakfast. Ito western. So yan. Try natin. Syempre yung view doon. So, weird lang yung, kasi nasa baba sila, tapos umaakyat. So,
pero okay din yung setup, no?
Siguro pag maraming tao, no, may dedicated na staff dito sa place. Sarap. Ganda nung pagka-fry. Yan. So, weird lang kasi walang other condiments. Okay naman. Nicely seasoned. Tapos ito, siyempre, salad.
And soup.
Tapos yung drink bar natin, try natin. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko pala na-steer, no? Chopsticks na yung ginamit.
And
ginger.
salmon ko.
Tingnan natin tong salmon. Sarap.
Overall, sulit ba kahit may baon tayo?
Sulit.
Okay. Kain na kami. Yan. Okay ka na dito.
Aside from Yoshinoya, our other favorite for breakfast stop and cheap eats is Sukiya and Matsuya. So if there's a place near your area, please do check it out and have a bite. Now, since we have done something familiar, let's get back to the theme of this video, trying something differently by going to Universal Studios.
Noda Station. Noda Station.
Yes, you heard it right. This is our 7th entry for the different thing that we did in Osaka. So it's our first time staying here the whole day at Universal Studios, since the last time we only visited during the night entrance. So we're excited to share to you in a separate video how I used my Harry Potter wand, the different merch that we bought, and the different special edition food. So do watch out for it.
Hey, pauwi na kami ni She Travels is back. Oh, Bibi,
Ay, pagod na pagod. Sulit ang ticket ni Universal.
Nurse tayo dumating.
9 something.
At ngayon, anong oras na?
10 something.
Oh, sulit na.
More than 12 hours.
Okay. So ngayon, kasabay natin maraming tao papuntang train, no?
Moving along with day 3 for something we did differently, our 8th entry will be having a relaxed itinerary, because for today, our focus is Kyoto in the morning and Dotonbori at nighttime. So what does a relaxed itinerary looks like for Jamushu Travels? Let's watch this.
Okay. So, itry daw natin to. Go, choose your flavor.
Hi, so we're trying the Anpuri Sweet Loves French waffle. Ano to? Earl Grey na flavor. Medyo weird. So, top 3 daw to. Kasi original, tsaka caramel medyo... Diba? May na-invite kami nakakain.
Influencer, ano? Sarap?
Medyo unique yung flavor. Diba?
Oh, gutom na kasi kami.
Lasang Earl Grey na.
Hindi pa kami nasisimula mamasyal.
Kain na agad.
Kain na agad. Ito lang. Appetizer. Bye. And we're back for another journey. So, other snacks. Ngayon, saan tayo pupunta?
Tayo sa Nijo Castle.
Nijo Castle. So, hindi pa kami nakapunta doon kasi hindi siya kasama sa JR Pass usually. So, since wala naman JR Pass, so we'll be exploring it. Alright, nasa likod natin at ihaharap ko na sa inyo ang castle. Kyoto Castle, no? Yan, may mga ilang cherry blossoms. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. But there are few, but not many. So let's see what we can explore inside.
Ganda rin mga.
Alright, so we got the general admission ticket, and now we're on our way inside with the Meta Boy. Okay.
So we're gonna try our luck.
Go.
Dito.
Alright.
Kasi gumastos tayo ng 1,300
Wow.
yen. So mga 500, mga ganyan.
Although ito lang kasi ang agenda din natin for today.
Yes.
Para we will not be restricted. Although may option for garden only. Pero okay na din to. General admission. Okay? So may quiz. At dahil may libre, magki-quiz tayo.
May hint daw eh.
Wow, may hint. Okay. Okay, so hindi muna kayo pumasok ng castle. Kasi gutom na daw kami. So dito muna tayo mag-ano tayo. Matsuri Festival! Oh wow, may performance!
Sorry, diba?
Yan, ito tayo dyan. Okay. Maya na tayo pumasok dun sa castle. Kain muna tayo.
Kasasagi mayori kakaru hashi Miren no omoi
Tamago?
Yes, tamago.
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, what's next?
What a nice. Okay, so let's try the food trucks here. So mostly barbecue, no? Tsaka may mga baked goods din. So I think mga local naman. Try natin itong...
Ano yung mga performers, oh.
So maganda kasi may background sound. So mukhang mga students. So ito medium chicken, 1,000 yen. Yan. Tapos nag-add din ako ng sausage.
Yummy?
Top.
Okay.
Parang nasa Texas. Tapos ito, sausage. Okay dyan.
Ako na sana kumain.
Then next is itong
Beef? Something?
parang steak. So try natin. Ito 226 grams, 2,000 yen with price.
Crap.
Okay naman. Top yung price.
Yum. Okay, next.
try natin tamago. So, medyo sweet daw. Ito yung number 1.
Okay.
Sarap. Simple lang.
Oh, Masay! There you go.
And then lastly, itong baked goods. Ganda ng costume. Kulay black.
Wow!
Ito, try natin. Ay, maganda. Parang may mochi ba yan? Oo, may mochi. May red bean din.
Sarap.
Ang ganda. Iba. Overall, sarap din. Mahal lang.
Pero konti lang, no? Konti lang yung food truck. But it's okay. For the experience.
Tingnan natin kung tapos na yung
Sakura latte. Cheers!
Cheers! So, try natin tong Sakura Ice Latte. Yan. 500
Wow.
yan.
Smells like sakura.
Oo. Sarap.
So kahit walang blossoms.
May Sakura latte.
So how's your experience?
Okay din. Sarap.
Okay, so it's a different experience.
Oh, parang Japanese barbecue, American style.
Okay, and ngayon, papasok na tayo dun sa loob. Kahit sobrang init. Yes. Ito?
Ganda.
So maganda dito pag may mga blossoms na. But now, it's just plain hot.
Ito ang maganda to.
Imagine na lang natin. Baby, oh. Yan ba yung inikot natin? Yan ba yung inikot natin?
Dito. Okay. Ano na? Konti lang. Ito ang ganda.
Satisfy na yung Kyoto craving. Ito yung hindi pa natin napuntahan eh, no?
At least something new.
Okay din siguro to sa autumn, no?
Maganda to sa autumn. Kasi yan
Magkukulay, no?
lahat. Ayan.
Ito, may konti na. Almost there, but not yet there. Yeah. Most likely next week. Next week. And that's why importante ang sakura. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan siya lalabas.
Unpredictable din.
Okay. Meron ba? Yan na yun. Oo.
Ito?
Diba? Ano yan?
Sarado ko. Kalas din. Hey Meta, take a photo.
So yan, maipilit lang. Isipin na lang natin, Sakura yan. Ipipilit natin ito.
Mag-send it doon. Okay, so let's try the Japanese sweets. Ayan. So ito yung parang mochi balls nila. Ang cute pala.
Pang bebe.
Tapos, ito yung green matcha. So pwedeng ikaw or sila gagawa.
Sila na yung pinagawa namin.
Medyo bitter, baby.
Okay.
Mukhang legit. Tapos,
Flower, no? Wow.
red bean niya. Na,
Okay.
red bean.
Okay. Go with it. How is it?
Thank you. Here's the coffee. Coffee. Okay. Wala ko na. Okay, so try naman natin to. Perfect. So limited, ano daw to, spring edition. So may biscuit. Tapos parang may charcoal na ano na ice cream. Parang espasol na ice cream.
How was the experience? Highly recommended.
Same balls, parang same lang yata eh. Tikman natin tong biscuit. Sarap naman. Malaki man. Enjoy.
If you have come this far, thank you for continuously watching and supporting Jamushi Travels and Jam Eats the World. So, as a token of our gift, just in case you are going to use Klook in your next travel, please use our code JAMUEATS and get 5% off. For now, let's continue our Niju Castle journey. Then let's head to Gion for our last shopping stop in Kyoto before going back to Osaka.
Excuse me. Iba yung entrance paggabi. So may festival pa mamaya.
Okay.
Busin na lang.
Okay. Tadaan! Patingin. Tingin. Ano kaya makuha mo? So you can either get Karamon Gate, Tonan Subiya, The Palace Meeting, Tenshun, at Nino Marugoten. Kaya tingnan natin. Ano makuha mo? Tamang tulong.
Ayan. Ayun, gusto ko nga.
Yung mga tao. Tadaan!
Ganda. Na.
Apa?
Okay, so bumili tayo ng magnet. Ayan, ano ba ito?
Yung isa sa mga painting.
Yung tiger.
The tiger magnet.
So limited edition yan dito.
And
pag nag-pay ka ng visa, may libreng stamp ka.
so kailangan visa yung pambayad mo.
Yeah.
Sayang, di ba? Ang ganda din.
Yes. Ayun. Enjoy your visit. Bye-bye.
So we got this for free because we answered the quiz. And now we're on our way to Nishiki Market. Dami pa ring tao. Oh.
And we're back. Ang ganda niya ng mga foods nila. Ayan. Rice cracker. There.
No, let's not get it.
Thank you. Thank you. Ay, sabi nga ako.
Thank you for visiting Nishiki Market. In order to
Ito rin, no? Mga cute na, no? Pero na ganyan na tayo. Ay, ito, gusto mata mo.
Ito? We're back again.
Ritorniamo alla metropolitana.
Gusto mag-pre-taste? Ikaw, mag-pre-taste ka.
Can I try? Thank you. Alright.
How's it? You like it?
Koreka.
You like?
Dili ka.
Why? Kyoto Crunch? Oh, choose. Alam niyo masarap mag-gochujang?
Oo.
Ano pa?
Try mo yung mga rice. Ano nila?
Okay. Ano? Highly recommended?
Highly recommend. Ayan, ano rin siya? Koreka.
Rice seasoning, sancho pepper. Okay. Alright. So, saan pa tayo punta? Start. Ang sarap ng mga spice na. Sige. Tingin pa tayo ng pwedeng bilhin. Sa iba tayo pumasok. Yung mga retail store yung pinuntahan natin na market.
Mas okay to.
Oo. Kasi umuulan nun eh. Doon tayo sa mas malapit sa Gion na entrance. Pero ito yung hinahanap natin noon.
Ito yung may itlog eh.
Oo. Na octopus. Oo.
Make hot okay.
Okay. Pero busog pa ako. Dami na kinain natin. So ngayon it's for the cloud. An experience.
Kaya sabi ko,
And
kung
they're
gusto
here
nila natin,
again.
gusto natin pumasok. Ayan.
Meron doon. Meron doon. Dito tayo nagaling last time. Pero dito tayo pupunta sa may issue Rainen. Okay. So, pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Yojiya. Kasi yun yung favorite ko. Dito na. Okay. Sana andito nga yung Yojiya. Okay.
Mas dire-dire. Diyan tayo tumaan.
Ito yung pinuntahan natin. Dito tayo nanggaling nun. Okay, so naalala nyo last time. Kasama si na mama. So yan o, dito kami nag-shopping sa Wigo. No?
Mga used, clothes.
Yep. And so, it is.
Okay.
Tapos, pagtawid, ano mangyayari? Ha?
Teka lang. Diretso to.
Start. wala tayong nakita electronics na out of stock.
Out of stock.
Kaya, special naman kami dito. Dumaan ba tayo dito nun?
Oo, naglakad tayo.
Hindi ko maalala.
Dito daw may ano rin eh.
May cherry blossom.
Oo, meron din gospel.
Oo, pero doon yata.
Side
May
na yan.
ilan. Ay, sorry. May ilan doon.
Nag-picture lang.
Okay, so pag nandito na ikaw, basa niyo ba yun? Tatawid tayo dun sa favorite store ko, Yujiya. Okay. So yun yung reason kung ba't nandito tayo ngayon sa Kyoto. Para pumunta sa Yujiya. Kasi dito lang yan. Yan. Tinan nyo ha. Dito lang talaga ito nabibili. At tinan niya. Oh. Diba? It's my favorite.
So this is what a low energy travel looks like for Jamushi Travels. Now let's head back to Osaka to stroll around Shinsaibashi and Dotonbori.
So we rested a bit. Ngayon, dito tayo ulit sa dulo nung sa may Shinsaibashi.
So for the 9th thing that we did differently, so we went to different spots than we usually go to. So we went to a different takoyaki shop, different ramen shop. We went inside a different entrance for Don Quixote and a lot more. So
Yan, so nakikigulo lang tayo dito.
Yeah.
Kahit nakailang beses na. Pero
Okay,
dun sa
pero
may
sobrang
baba,
daming tao.
mas maganda dun sa baba. May
Pero sa
secret
tingin ko,
spot.
hindi na siya sobrang secret.
Oo, kasi na-divulge na natin yung secrecy. Pero ngayon, ang goal lang naman natin ay takoyaki. At mamaya magdudongki tayo. Either doon o dun sa hindi maraming tao. But we'll see. So, ganito ang status.
Galing. Oo, kami. Shokey. Shokey-san.
Okay, so while everyone is busy with that line, we're going to this line. Okay, mas konti. And my susu. Okay, so taste test na natin ito. Ito, nakain na namin yan dati. Ito naman. Alright,
So,
Bibi.
puro local yung kumakain dito. Napansin namin yung mga estudyante dito kumakain. So, ito half and half. Yung normal na may sauce tsaka may cheese. So, try muna natin yung normal.
Ooh, sarap.
Juicy.
Oh, mainit ah.
I'm in short track.
Ang lasa.
Malaki yung octopus niya.
Kaya siya number 1.
Feel na feel mo yung pagkagat. Yung skin nga lang sobrang init kaya.
Bagong luto eh. No? Wow.
Harap.
Patingin. Laki nga. Ay, tikman natin yung bago. Bago na yung may cheese. Wow, may cheese full? Oh, meron din naman. Oh, mainit.
Ito yung mga estudyante.
Ay, hindi ko pala yung na-picturean sa sobrang excited namin mag-video. Picturean ko na lang. Kamusta naman yung
Okay lang din may cheese.
Kamusta siya kumpara sa normal na takoyaki?
Kung mahilig ka sa cheese, okay. Pero parang okay lang kahit wala.
Okay. So, parang something to diversify. Lalo kung sawa ka na dun sa normal na takoyaki na. May normal din naman silang ino-offer doon. So, pili ka na lang kung ano yung gusto mong takoyaki. Alright, so, anong verdict for 1,000 yen?
Okay na rin.
Highly recommended? Alright. Alright, kain na ako.
Grabe. Daming tao.
Okay. So, pumasok kami dun sa may dragon. Tapos nakita namin ito. Ramenan. Walang pila. Pero baka masarap naman. Guys, so today we're gonna try different ramen. Fully loaded. And spicy. Lapit ko na lang. Try mo muna, baby.
Sige, try natin yung sabaw muna ng spicy miso. Sarap. Try natin yung broth. So, parang ichiran din. May ano.
Lasa.
Okay naman, pero
Maumay ako?
hindi naman. Halo mo lang yung spicy miso tsaka garlic.
Okay, sige. So, ano?
Mukhang
Anong
okay
verdict
naman.
mo?
Teka, try natin yung noodles.
Asan yung ano pala? Yung soup.
Sa ilalim.
Ayun.
Manipis yung noodles.
Okay. Sarap naman. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Ano, kamusta? Sarap. Highly recommended.
Yes, try nyo.
Okay, and ito, number 1, meat overload. Kain na kami.
Jamushi Trivia. How many bowls of ramen did you think we had during this Osaka trip? Comment down below and get the chance to win something.
Wala na kami kasama. At yung mga nakapila na yun, nahihirapan yun. Kasi walang translation. But anyway, yung matalino lang ang makakasurvive. Okay, itadakimasu.
Okay, tas add ka na ng 100 yen. May gyoza na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na. Good deal na.
Sarap. Bagay sa kanin.
Bagay.
Okay.
So, may libre silang 1 free serving na food. So, kung matakaw ka at bibig, pwede. Kaya sobrang dami nagalit sa akin.
Ano yung sinabi mo kay kuya kanina?
Kay dama. So, ibig sabihin ng extra noodles.
Okay. Oh, sarap. Wow. Sana may kaidama na kanin, no?
Kaya kasi yung broth masarap eh.
Don't
Saka hindi
taste the soup.
naman tonkatsu yung sa akin. Kaya hindi masyadong greasy. Ano, miso kasi. Miso base. Okay. Tadakimasu.
Bye.
So that's the end of our day 3 adventure. Now let's move on to day 4, our last day in Osaka.
Okay, so we're checking out early para makapag-Kurumon Market. My loves, saan tayo papasyal?
Ay, teka, wait lang. Baliktad yata yun.
Baliktad pala lakad namin, sa kabila pala. Okay, tama ba?
Oo, dapat.
Sa kabilang side siya ng Dotonbori pala. Ha?
Parang, oo.
Saan ba yung Dotonbori?
Hindi naman sa kabilang side.
Yun yung Dotonbori.
Hindi, parallel sa...
So dito daw. Sige.
Now for our top 10 things that we did differently in Osaka for this trip, we went for a different kind of food trip at Kuromon Market.
May maagang bumukas. Mas may matagal din. Ayun, meron pa doon. Doon yata, mas malaki.
Ang ganda.
Premium croissant. Sarap. Ibi ah. So for the experience na, yun na, the CB ko.
How are you?
Ayan, so nag-scout na kami ng konti na baby. And then, ngayon, dito muna tayo mag-first stop sa beef na to. Alright, so tingnan natin.
So let's try the steam, soup wagyu. Yan, tendon. So parang lamang loob.
It's your gravy.
May rice.
So ito yung first stop ng ating
Food crop.
Kuramon food crop.
Sarap din. Okay, so try natin to nila. Beef, no? So hindi siya wagyu, cheap beef lang, pero okay na rin.
Ano siya, no? Beef at saka
Combo.
crab 1,000.
So imitation crab lang siguro.
Sarap.
Manipis.
Wow.
Madaling kainin.
Pang street food talaga, no? Ito naman isa. Wow, hindi parang totoo crab eh. Tika na.
Feeling ko hindi.
Yeah, mo na.
Okay naman.
Sarap.
Pwede na.
Highly recommended for the price.
Mura lang naman.
Ay.
Okay, so let's try the grilled eel plus rice. 1-2 yen. Yan.
Sulit.
Favorite mo, sir.
May sauce ba?
Yan ano, siguro.
Sige.
Creamy pala siya, no?
Oh.
So parang yung laman, saka yung 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 taba.
Yata.
Sarap.
Sarap. Sobrang creamy. Masarap sa kanin.
Sarap sa kanin.
Highly recommended?
Yes, try nyo.
Bye! Sobrang excited ko. Nakagat ko na. Hindi pa nagre-review ng reviewer. O, dali na, reviewer.
Try natin. Kagatin yung kinagat.
Ano to? White strawberry ba? Almost white. Hindi siya kasing puti ng mga puti talaga. Pero masarap. Sarap?
Matamis.
Tamis-tamis na? Ubusin mo na.
Hello. Okay naman ang ating Kuramon experience. Typical na parang street food market. Yan. So, pili lang kayo. Halos the same lang naman yung prices. So, try nyo yung strawberry, beef, tsaka yung mga seafoods. Enjoy! Bye! Okay. Hi, good morning. So, kung nagstay kayo sa Nest Hotel at walang breakfast at gutom na kayo at gusto nyo fresh, so ito, may egg sando dito sa cafe break for 350 yen plus coffee. Yan. So, lahat is 600 yen. So, pwede na rin, no? For a good, coffee house experience. So, try natin tong egg sandwich nila. So, alam nyo na yung egg sandwich popular na item sa 7-Eleven or sa mga convenience store. Pero ito try natin sa coffee shop. Tapos yung coffee nila, ito is brewed coffee. Sarap din. So, highly recommended. Try nyo rin dito sa Coffee Break sa Makersta Underground. See you. Bye-bye.
So that's the end of our Osaka adventure. Please do let us know if you give this itinerary a try by commenting down below. So until next time, thank you for watching again, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.
特急券を拝見させていただくことがございますので、恐れ入りますがご協力をお願いいたします。